Where are you going?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today is about Enogie and his wife. You know, you see, this social media, I find out, see, many of una, if una they do una presented things, una Pikin, see, they awake. It's not good. Yesterday, my people, Enogie did live video around that kind of 12 something. Pikin never see sleep for that time. So a woman can call in now for Enogie platform. Say make Enogie put the phone for ear. Say he want to Enogie. So Enogie can say okay, no problem. As Enogie put the phone for, as Enogie can put the phone for ear. Now the woman can tell and say, Pikin is supposed to do the sleep by now. Pikin not supposed to there. As in this chat for live video, Pikin can see there. And a very good thing, no. So no, because they just tell my wife direct. So as you give your wife now, a wife just the chat for background, they say, he never start school. He never start school. So now he cause and when he never sleep, he never start school. You see we are for the get and wrong. He never start school. Not be now you suppose start to the teach him. You go to the quit sleep. If you not quit teach him now, if you start school, the same thing I go they do. You know, one quit sleep. That be one thing where una not understand. I just want to do this video. I pray may you see him. Now, Mama Nora. Now you suppose they teach him. I go to the quit sleep. You not suppose they live video with you. You see all those social. All of them, they see what they do for social media. They see them. When I'm going to say they not they see them. Make I shock you now. You get one woman. You not tell jam and say with your husband day. You tell the same with your husband all day. He born Pikin. Another person put hand. So you not tell them. But then they see say him with the man go wear the same cloth for Facebook. They go wear the same cloth for Facebook. Then they do things together for Facebook. You don't say socials don't go screenshot all the picture put for ground. When they begin they drag the woman where her matter can come out to go. She they say with the man all day they can say where see picture one and snap so time. They bring everything come out for court. The woman shock. So all those social they see everything where would they do for social media. If you not know, more know. So you not supposed to be your Pikin. The day awake. You know hear Jama lady where she talk. A video where she do. You not still watch her. When you say go that time you go the day live video 3 hours. If you not this and that, she not the take for live video again. If she even do live video, she not the take again now. That time when she they do 3 hours, 4 hours. You don't know say it's social that they look her. You don't know. The day when they come tell and say, how you say they take care of your Pikin? You go dey live video 3 hours. So how you come to take care of your Pikin? Now there she come the fear. Now she come quick. They come say, oh, send somebody come here, make they see how they take they live. Actually they cope with the live video, come take care of children in the night. She go see the live video. Now she come take quick stop that thing. And she really stop on that time. Make they don't go collect the Pikin. So my sister, that advice, I even hear when your husband still they tell you say only na truth the woman they talk. Cause you will be woman that's supposed to quick put there for sleep. Once it is 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, my Pikin they don't go bed. I get one friend 8. You sure all your children don't go bed, they don't go sleep. Cause you need to teach them now. If you not teach them now, later my sister you go regret and not lie you if they start school. You go regret her. Pikin not supposed to see day by now. Not talk say never start school. He start school, you not start school, you not stop anything, my sister. I not lie you. Even though you never start school, now you supposed to be quick put her for bed now, Nora. Yes. Mona list you when they argue with the woman. He never start school. He say Omoneye school. After 12, Pikin never sleep. After 12. He say Omoneye school. Oma mean anything. My sister, he mean I not lie you, eh? He mean. I not go lie you. He say he never start school. He never start school. You get where I want to watch where husband for some people for write or comment say the caller is saying the truth. The caller is saying the truth. Una listen now. Even your husband knows say the caller was right. Una understand? Even the husband knows say the caller they right. The caller they right for what he talk. You understand?
She's right. She never starts school.
Okay. 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 Now there before they get her wrong, Mama Nora. Papa Nora understand what that woman talk. But now you they say he never start school, he never start school. It don't mean anything. He start school, he don't start school. It don't mean anything, my sister. I don't lie you. Even though they never start school, from now they quit put her for bed. Now if you don't start up now only she now go they even want go sleep safe. You understand? Now only she they go want go sleep. You understand? Now you're supposed to the teacher. Now the talk say never start school, never start school. It never start school. Now that one you just the talk. No. I not lie you. Now you're supposed to the quit put her for bed. Nah. If you not quit put her for bed, nah. Now you go regret them later. I not lie you. Now you're supposed to the quit put her for bed. That Pikin, it's too late for that time. You never see sleep. Who does that? A mother, your Pikin never see sleep for 12. No. That one not just good, eh? I not lie you, eh? It's not just good. Even when we see her yesterday, I was like, when I just see make I turn on my phone, I want to go peace. Now I see Pikin. Now I see your husband notification. So make I just check my phone. Now I see say Pikin never see sleep. But no, it's too late. Not less socials come they see all those videos when they do. It's not good, eh? They see everything what they do now. They say they don't see and they see them, eh? The day where the one person cup go full now shock. As well as they take care of food now. They take care of everybody for Germany. So that they see everything what they do. So now just that advice I just make I give you. So my husband get people, if you know say you see get Pikin will be say you know the create a bed, they look and say never start school. No, from that time they teach them. If you quit teaching, I better pass, eh? If you don't really strong put down, you don't know say after all, you know the quit sleep before. That's what you go to do. Okay, my darling people. Anything you want to think about this video, if it makes sense, want to leave a comment for the comment section. And the video not to insult anybody, just advice. Thank you. Bye.